a Titan Diesel 7500. I found this on Craigslist. It was advertised as there was no power to it. I tested the coils for connectivity on each one of these legs here. Each one of these is 110 leg. The AVR was here. I troubleshooted it and found out that the AVR was bad. And how I did that was the AVR sends 24 volts to the brushes right here, and if you connect 12 volts to it, you should see half the voltage coming to the voltmeter, and that's what that's how I was able to diagnose that the AVR was bad. But anyways, I got this generator and this other one that I'm going to be fixing up. This one runs. What was wrong with it was, well, there's a number of things that's wrong with it. The injection pump, which is right here, was clogged and gummed up, so I took it apart and cleaned it. It needs a fuel filter put in it, and a new fuel line, but otherwise this one works. They just let it sit evidently for too long. So I'll be doing a few videos on getting these fixed up and using them. People that owned them didn't take care of them. I mean, they kind of took it apart and didn't put things back where they were supposed to go. So anyways, yeah, just gonna be, once I get the parts in, I'll shoot another video to show it working, and I'll leave in the description the part number for this. I believe I found it on eBay, so I'll leave that link in the description. Thanks.